saving and opening a file. Original embroidery designs can be saved in the machine's internal memory or USB flash drive. Saving original embroidery designs. Press the function switch key in the editing window. Press the Save File key to open the Save File window. Make sure that internal memory is selected using the internal memory USB flash drive switch key. Open the folder. The file name is assigned automatically starting from number M001. If you wish to change the file name, press the Rename key to open the new name window. Enter the new name and press the OK key. Press the OK key to save the design under the new name. Opening original embroidery designs. When you press the Open File key, the Open File window appears. Make sure that internal memory is selected using the internal memory USB flash drive switch key. Open the folder. Press the page keys to show the pages. Select the desired file and the saved data will be displayed on the editing window.